add some additional details to your Facebook page. So I want you to navigate to your Facebook page. Remember, you've signed in as yourself. You go over to this little arrow and click it, and then you click on the name of your page. And it's going to take you to what should be the home part. Anyway, let's just click on this About button, and then you're going to be where I am right here. So right here, as you can see, we've already taken care of some of these things, like the category, the name, the hours. You can add additional things like where it says edit business details. It's just bringing you to the price range thing. We're going to ignore that. Edit start date. Totally up to you. This can be anything like I was born, I founded the company, I started, I opened, I created, I launched. I'm going to pick launched. And I think mine was 2018. I don't remember the month, so I'm just going to do that. Launched in 2018. Now our business type, remember, we've already selected this as well. You can put additional details. My business sells goods or services online. This page represents a corporate headquarters. This isn't crucial, but it gives you another opportunity to put information. And next, you're going to see the phone number that I added. And this little link right here is your messenger. This is where people send you messages. There'll be a little icon or number up here if someone sends you a message. Here's my email address. Everything is editable. You see when I hover over it. Website. Now let's click on this other accounts. So I am going to add another account, my Instagram. For Instagram is owned by Facebook. So all I have to do is put my username right there and click save. Okay? And it is automatically a link to my Instagram account. Now, I want to add some more info down here. So I'm going to hit edit, because this is where you add additional accounts. I can say add an account. Well, I've already put Instagram, but I can add Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, whatever you have, you can add. Look, there's a ton of them you can scroll to. Since mine is a business, I would like to add LinkedIn right here. But now this has to be the entire link. Oops, you know what? I forgot the N. But this has to be the entire link. It's different than this. Only on the Instagram link can you just type your username. Here it has to be the entire thing. So what you'll see also is, do you notice that's not a link? Someone would have to copy and paste that to get to that LinkedIn page. That's because Facebook doesn't want to send people off of their own platform. So that's what they do. They give you the option, but they don't make it easy. Now I can add another one, and you saw all of these. We can go and say, let's see, we've got Instagram. Let's add our Pinterest in here. So we can do the same thing with Pinterest and just go ahead and type your link in. And every time you do, click on the save button. Now down here is your about. That's kind of a short little, basically your elevator pitch. You can add a menu. Let's say you're a restaurant and you're serving clients and customers. You can add some sort of menu in here. You can upload your photos, PDF files of a menu, whatever you want to do. This is just your page ID, which isn't really important, and this is the category you're in. And again, you can change that if you want to, but you can also click it and see what other pages there are in that category. Now we'll go back again, because there's one other thing I want to show you over here. Oh, actually, I take that back. There's two. Okay, so down here is team members. I can actually add myself as a team member. Remember, I'm Jill W. Fox I am Jill W. Fox signed into this business page. So if I add myself as a team member, this will appear on my profile. Okay, it will say Jill W. Fox is a team member for the Small Business Social. And I click OK. Now I don't want it to do that, but that's what you can do. Now this is kind of cool too. You can tell people a story. So you can do two things here. One is to click and drag a photo in, And there's a photo. And if you can tell, it's kind of really pushed over to the left quite a bit. And there's a reason for that, which I'll show you. The other thing we can do is write a much more detailed description about who we are, why we do what we do, who we serve. All kinds of information can go right in here. And when it's done, you can make sure it's set to public if you want. On a page, it basically always is set to public. And you can publish. Oh, I'm sorry. It won't let me publish because I forgot the title. I'm calling this Meet Jill just because that's what the picture is. And I publish. So you've got your image, your title, and where I was scribbling is where you add your story. Now, I want to show you something. So when somebody goes here, they can read your detailed story, which will be in this box. So I want you to go back to the home page now and scroll down. All the changes we made automatically create posts. I don't want these on the page. I don't think they're necessary. So I'm going to click these three little dots and delete it. Click the delete button, okay? I don't want this up either. None of these things need to be here. It makes the page look sloppy. Click the three little dots, delete from page, and then click the delete button. And that's how you're going to get rid of all of these things here. Just go on down and take care of doing that. All the way down. And now that's pretty much everything.